Found ATTR files when transferring data from a Mac to another system? These contain extended file attributes that macOS uses for various metadata. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these macOS extended attribute files contain. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor ATTR corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. An ATTR file stores extended file attributes on Apple's macOS, particularly within file systems like HFS and APFS. This metadata can include information like file tags, versioning data, or application-specific details that are not part of the file's primary data. Users typically encounter these when exploring system folders or backups. This is not a standalone file, but a representation of the metadata fork associated with a primary file. It's a low-level binary data structure managed by the operating system's kernel. This design allows for rich metadata storage without altering the core file content, ensuring compatibility with systems that don't support extended attributes. The official utility recommended for the ATTR file is Apple macOS by Apple Inc. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows cannot reveal the internal organization of the index, so specialized applications must open it. Your first troubleshooting move, right-click the ATTR file and select Open With. Try launching it using Apple macOS if it's installed. If that fails, test other apps. Different tools have different file handling libraries. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the ATTR file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. First, handling on Mac. On macOS, extended attributes are preserved transparently within HFS and APFS file systems without separate ATTR files. Use xadder command in terminal to view list and remove extended attributes. Run xadder lfilename to list attributes, or xadder dcom.apple quarantine file name to remove quarantine flags from downloaded files. Next, cleaning up transfers. When ATTR files appear after copying Mac files to Windows or Linux systems, they typically can be safely deleted since the metadata is non-essential for file content. Use find commands to remove all ATTR files in a directory tree. Files created by macOS Finder include hidden DSStore and Apple double files that similarly can be cleaned up. Finally, preserving metadata. For backups, maintaining macOS metadata, use APFS or HFS formatted external drives that natively support extended attributes. Time Machine and macOS migration. Assistant preserve all extended attributes during transfers between Macs. Cloud storage services vary in extended attribute support, so verify metadata preservation when migrating Mac data to cloud platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.